Finding limits algebraically. Tip 1. When you deal with infinite limits, it is the same as dealing with horizontal asymptotes. Take the following example. Find the limit of 1 divided by x squared as x goes to infinity. Now, the degree of the numerator or the upper part is 0, and the degree of the lower part is 2. Thus, we have degree top less than degree bottom. Thus, the answer will be 0, and it's the same as the horizontal asymptote. Find the limit of 3x cubed divided by x minus 1 as x goes to negative infinity. Now, the degree of the numerator is 3, the degree of the denominator is 1, and we notice that the degree of the top is bigger than the degree of the bottom. Thus, basically, the horizontal asymptote doesn't exist, and so the limit. But if you simplify, the limit will go to positive infinity. Third example, find the limit of 2x squared plus 4 divided by 5x squared minus 1 as x goes to infinity. Both the numerator and denominator have the same degree, which is 2. As per horizontal asymptote, the answer should be y equal 2 over 5, but you know what? This is the same answer of the limit. Now, tip number 2 is just use substitution. Just replace the value. And sometimes you will have an answer, and this answer is going to be the solution for the limit. You are receiving an error upon substitution, try factoring. Check the following example. Find the limit of x squared minus x minus 2 divided by x squared minus 2x minus 3 as x goes to negative 1. If you replace immediately the value by negative 1, the value of x by negative 1, you will have an error, or the limit does not exist. Thus, try to factor the upper part, as you can see, and the lower part. Now, you will notice both of them, they have the same common bracket, which is x plus 1, the same common factor. When you delete it, just try again the substitution, and if you receive a number, that will be the answer. If you start having radicals in your questions, just go and use the conjugates to simplify the question and find the limit. Take the following example. If you replace x by 4, you will have a problem. Thus, start by multiplying the fraction by the conjugate of radical x minus 2. Now, when you multiply by the conjugate, which is, by the way, radical x plus 2, at the top, you will have x minus 4. At the bottom, you will keep it as it is. Now, you will notice the same common factor will appear at the top and at the bottom, denominator and numerator. Just delete it. And then simplify, substitute again the value of x, and you will receive the answer as you can see in front of you. Sometimes we use trigonometric identities to change the shape of the question. Take the following example. Find the limit of sine x divided by sine 2x. Now, an identity says sine 2x is basically 2 sine x times cosine x. Just replace the denominator by this identity, simplify, and then substitute, and you will receive the answer. Find the limit of sine 5x divided by x. Now, there is a trick says if the angle match the denominator, then the limit will be equal 1 as x goes to 0. We're going to use this tip to solve this question. We multiply first of all the upper and the lower part by 5. Then we use this step, and then you discover that it will end up 5 times 1, as you can see, and the answer will be 5. That was the end. Thank you for watching.